Hello, it's Galloway and Columbus Tree Services. Making a quick video for our tree removal service. Um, so, how to get that tree you can't stand out of the way and shine some light on your life. By Galloway and Columbus Tree Services, we serve not just Galloway and Columbus, Hilliard, Dublin, Grove City, outlying areas, suburbs. We'll work with you as long as you're not too far away, like Dayton or Cleveland or Cincinnati. You got a tree that you can't stand. We understand you may not want to, but there are good reasons to bring the tree down, and our experts will come out there and schedule a time to check it out, see the structural integrity of the tree, and determine whether or not it needs to come down. It may. Uh, we'll remove and clear out your tree so fast, safe, and efficient you won't even know it. Well, of course, we're gonna come out there and talk with you, but once we get the initials done, tree will be down and out of your way before whatever the episode of TV you're watching, and as long as it's not a huge tree. We have highly state-of-the-art, highly innovative tools and practices available for tree removal in Galloway, Columbus, other areas. There's a tree. That's just a little joke. There's a tree falling in the woods when nobody can hear it make noise. So, um, if you're a commercial business, we can make you some money. It's a lot easier to show houses or build on a site once you get the trees down. There's a tree in the way that can make driving to and from the building easier. That can make you some money. You got a tree that's dead or dying in a yard. Somebody's probably not going to want to buy the house until that tree gets taken down. So give us a call. We're affordable. Another little joke there of Sullivan Avenue. Um, Nobody can match our expertise, our professionalism, and our efficiency in removing the tree. And we won't even give you tree disease, unlike the Sullivan Avenue corner people. uh, to learn more or schedule a consultation, give us a call at our number or fill out the contact form on the right of every page. We have it on every page to make it easy for you to contact us when you find the service that you need. We look forward to doing business with you. So thank you and have a great day.